Ever thought your dream of having a garden is impossible due to limited space? You're not alone. Many urban dwellers face this challenge, yearning for a touch of green amongst the concrete. But what if we told you that the sky is the limit, quite literally? Rooftop gardens are exactly what they sound like. Gardens on the roof of a building. They offer a clever solution to space constraints, maximizing underutilized areas. Plus, they add an aesthetic charm, turning dreary concrete into vibrant green spaces. Imagine transforming your dull rooftop into a lush green paradise. Starting a rooftop garden might seem daunting, but with a few easy steps, you can create your own green haven. Let's break it down. Step 1. Ensure your roof is structurally sound. Remember, soil, pots, and water all add weight. If in doubt, get a professional to assess its stability. Next, check if you need any permissions to set up a garden on your roof. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Choosing the right containers and plants is crucial. For containers, consider lightweight options like fabric pots or plastic planters. As for plants, pick varieties that can withstand wind and sun exposure, such as succulents or hardy herbs. Setting up the garden is the final step. Arrange your containers, fill them with soil, and plant your chosen flora. Don't forget to water regularly and ensure they get enough sunlight. With patience and care, your rooftop can blossom into a beautiful garden. So, are you ready to take your gardening dreams to new heights? Rooftop gardening is not only a solution to limited ground space, but it also offers environmental benefits and a tranquil retreat. It's time to embrace the advantages of gardening up above, reaping fresh produce, and enjoying a green haven in the heart of the city. Go ahead, turn that underutilized space into a lush, productive garden. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.